Picking Caterpillar and Cleveland Brothers as a partner over the years, it's important for me as the owner to partner with companies and vendors that share our same values. And our values are clear. We're very honest with our customers. We're very straightforward. We do exactly what we say we're going to do. And if we don't, we make it right. And Cleveland Brothers does the same things. Their equipment is far superior than the other equipment out there and available. For instance, we had a competitor's brand and the undercarriages all wore out within 1,500 hours or less, where Caterpillar's undercarriages last 5,000 hours or better. My superintendent personally tested the machines against other brands and far superior.
The biggest challenges that we have in forestry is finding the right equipment to do the right job. When we compared the Cat against its competitors, it stood out in tractive effort, swing speed, swing torque, the comfort for the operator in the cab. Even the screen inside was able to be used, cameras that other competitors just could not compete with. When it came down to my favorite features about this particular unit, it was the smoothness of the controls, its ability to multitask, and its ability to navigate the terrain using track torque where other competitors just couldn't compete.
The Caterpillar offering of the Next Gen 330 provides ease of service and maintenance. From a safety standpoint, standard comes with 270-degree safety cameras with the optional 360 degrees. And electric over hydraulic gives you the opportunity to prioritize individual functions for different attachments that forestry application is going to provide. We sell this product knowing that it's going to be running. We know that it's going to be accountable for production, just like Cleveland Brothers are going to be accountable for the product support side to help this machine continue to move. Caterpillar Next Gen 330 is an accountable and a reliable machine that is based off the same standards that the Cleveland Brothers organization stands for.
When you look at Caterpillar against its competitors, it's clear that Cat really is the best that there is. And then when you combine that or Cleveland Brothers, you have a matching pair that you can't beat.
Everything breaks down. It doesn't matter if you're buying top of the line or bottom of the barrel. The support that you get from Cleveland Brothers if something does go wrong. It is a phone call and a very smooth, quick process to get coordinated with the parts to come in, to get service out to your machine.
It's one thing to sell a new piece of equipment, but you're only as good as you can support that product. They understand that when call us, we're going to answer the phone call. We're going to make sure that they're up and running as quick as possible.
Cleveland Brothers is second to none. Honestly, when your machine goes down at 3:30 and you have parts at your door at 6:30, being able to have a unit back in production the next day is priceless.
Whether it be through parts, service, troubleshooting, technology, whatever the case may be, having that relationship with the customer from the standpoint of from the ground level all the way up to make sure that our customer feels that we're taking care of them in the best way possible.
Service and support is one of the biggest deciding factors whenever we buy a piece of equipment. It's whether I'm talking to a manager or I'm talking to a field tech. I'm comfortable and have personal relationships with a lot of the employees there. That is the reason why we continue to do business with Cleveland Brothers over everybody else.
Cleveland Brothers understands our needs as a company and what we do better than other companies.
I'll say that 10 times a year. That's the reason that we deal with Cleveland Brothers. That's the reason why we pick them over the competitors, because the support that I get on the after sales side is bar none to everybody.